What if the secret to creating wildly successful video ads wasn't in a $10,000 mastermind, but buried in a 100-year-old book on your bookshelf? Tolstoy, Kafka, Chekhov, these masters cracked the code of human attention. And today, just one ad has leveraged these techniques to profitably spend $9.6 million. The techniques that kept readers glued to 600-page novels can keep your prospects glued to a 60-second ad. Let me show you how 3 campaigns across debt relief, vision supplements, and transformational coaching use literary principles to drive millions in sales. Here's the first principle: escalating revelations. It's simple. Every line should raise the emotional stakes fast. Tolstoy did it in novels. Direct response ads do it in seconds. Each line builds urgency. The stakes climb. You're not just watching, you're locked in. In one sentence: authority, impossibility, desire, urgency. That's the same ladder, just in a different niche. Escalation isn't the only move. Some ads take a different route. They lead with emotion, not shock. Take this transformational coaching ad from Marissa Peer. It doesn't start with data or urgency. It starts with a gentle question. What would your life be like if you were a rapid transformational therapist? It's vague, even unrelated at first, but it pulls you in because your brain wants to resolve the ambiguity. George Saunders calls this the question that pulls you through. Instead of jolting you forward, it invites you forward. Here's a trick most advertisers miss. When viewers spot something odd or unbelievable in your ad, that's not a problem. That's a psychological trigger. George Saunders called it the Titian cart. Things I couldn't help noticing. It's the mental folder where we store things that don't quite add up. And smart ads don't avoid filling the cart. They lean into it. Naturally, you're skeptical. Harvard may have found a way to restore vision. Better Eyes starts with a wild claim, but then they stack proof. Johns Hopkins, Yale, a banned doctor, 13,000 users. It's like a checklist designed to close your doubts. That's how excess turns into belief, when every strange detail gets a satisfying explanation. Here's the takeaway for your next ad. Escalate revelations. Each line should raise the stakes. Invite curiosity when escalation isn't the right move. Anticipate skepticism and use proof to turn doubts into belief. These principles kept Tolstoy and Kafka relevant for 100 years. They can keep your ads converting in a 3-second scroll world. If you got value from this video, hit subscribe and go to directresponsesecrets.tv to join our free newsletter. Every week we break down direct response marketing strategies that are generating millions with tactics you can swipe and deploy immediately. See you on the next video.